Hello everyone and welcome back to the studio. In this short video I'm going to assemble the goggles and mask holder. This is one of my favourite cleats, if you can be sad enough to have a favourite cleat. It's quite simple to put together, just need a little bit of organisation. So I've got the pieces laid out by number. Number 7 is the middle one. And each of them has a 1 and a 2 written on them, and you can see I've got 2 here, and the numbers go down. So this is number 7 and will go in this slot here, like so. Number 2, number 7, number 1, number 7. So I'm just going to put a little bit of CA glue to begin with across here. Like so, a little bit in these slots, if you can see that. And I'll just put a little bit on these tabs. So as I say, number 2 at the top, number 7 in the middle. That's one done. Next, a little bit on the tabs. And into number 7 again. And then locate them on the wall board. Just make sure it's all pressed down properly. And glue out the way and a bit of activator. Give that a few seconds. Okay. So next up you can see we've got number 8 and number 6. I've got number 8 here, ready to go. That's this side. And again, a little bit of glue in the slot. Like so. Down it goes. Same with number 6. And a little bit of So next up we have 9 and 5. Four and 10. And you see, yeah, there's a little bit of a chip in the cut. I'll just get a marker pen. Number 10. You can see it's taking shape now. So number 3. And number 11. Okay, and then we have these 2 last pieces. One of these has a number on and the other doesn't, and number 12 goes this side with the number inside. But before we do that, we have these 2 circles, and we're just going to glue them on to there. Just so it roughly follows the same curvature, and the same here. And then a little bit of glue in the slot like before, and a little bit of glue on the circle. And a little bit of okay, and the same here, bit of glue in the slot, bit of glue on the spacer, down it goes, hold it in. Okay, so we're almost done. Now we've got the hook for the mask. This goes in here like so. I'll put a little bit of glue there, here and here. Okay, and now we just need the cleats. The best sides, the top and the bottom. Now let's just check to see that, yes, you can see the edge. Just get a little persuader, and we'll start with the first cleat. Now all I do is hold it like so, and as usual a few dabs around where the cleat's going to be, and then every few. That's in, let's check it's square. Yes it is. I think that needs a bit more in the middle. Get the other side. Put the top on. Bit on those ends of the cleat. And just the bottom to go, and you need a few dabs here because it's light, not taking any weight whatsoever. And there you have it. I'll just get the mask to show you, but I'll do a proper on the wall presentation. And the glasses just fit on, like if you had them on the top of your head, like so. And the mask, just tuck that one in. Goes on like so. But I'll do a proper presentation of that with it on the wall. But that's how easy it is to put together. It's all just 6mm or 1/4 inch plywood. Okay, I've been Alan, you've been watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you're new to the channel, please do me the honour of hitting the subscribe button so that you see future videos that I put out. And thanks for watching.